Good morning, class 7. How are you guys doing? Hope you enjoyed your weekend and you had fun and you taken care of yourselves and your parents, everybody. So that's really being good and hope everything is going on fine. So that's going to be great. So we are back to on this English part. The English literature reader will be on Unit 8, the Astrologer's Day. As you know, Mr. R.K. Narayan, there's nothing to say about him. He's one of the best, critically acclaimed writers, the Indian writers. And this is a very nice story about the Astrologer's Day. It's actually a thriller, short story, suspense. It's full of suspense, and it always happens from his favorite place, that's Malgudi. It's a collection of stories from his Malgudi days. It was telecasted on the television series in 2006. So you must have seen that, Malgudi days. In that, there are so many stories are involved in it. It's actually a Kannada. This story was adapted from Kannada movie. The story was adapted into a movie in Kannada named Gara. Okay, it's about themes found in an astrologer's day to day life. Actually, what happens? Like, what do we know about astrologers? We don't know the past. We just see them with a long tilak, and they're wearing those orange clothes and they sit like a baba and they say a lot of things. They sit with shells and they sit with various. Drawings and paper, and they sit on the roadside. Where people pass. They know how to attract people, and they say a lot of things. Oh, while you're crossing, they say, oh, tomorrow you're going to get a lot of money. Oh, suddenly you stop and see, what did he say? Let me go to him. Sometimes he has said something to his own people. There's a group of them, how they work. So if an astrologer can tell something good about you, why doesn't he do something good about himself? Right? That's what I want to mean. Everybody is born with their destiny. So everything is going to happen as per time and place. So we cannot change anything. 2 days we cannot change in our life or in the week. That is yesterday and tomorrow. So if I cannot change yesterday and if I cannot change tomorrow, no astrologer can change anything for me. Yes, I can plan on my tomorrow, but I cannot change anything about tomorrow unless tomorrow comes, because I don't know what's going to happen. The pandemic was here. Could you stop it? Couldn't. So be practical and be logical in life. So R.K. Narayan has made a wonderful story, thriller short story. It's about basically there was a murder and a person had died and he thought that he had killed him, so that's why he had to run away. And generally these astrologers who sit on the roadside and they make a lot of, they act like babas and they do all that with tents and all, they sit on the road. You will see them in the fairs, in the melas, you will see them, actually everyone has a past. Even I also have a past, you also have a past. So everyone does have a past in their life, which some people want to say and some people don't want to say. Like suppose I have done a crime somewhere, or if I have had a very bad situation, or I don't want to go back to that place, so I leave that place and go to somewhere else and I try to do something else, right? Why does the government ask for Aadhaar card identifications? Why does the government ask for license identification? Why do you need a passport to identify yourself? Why do you need a voter card? So that we come to know actually where you are from, what is your background. So these things were not there earlier. These things were not there. So much of paperwork was not there, so people could travel easily anywhere and go and settle down. Even I have seen, I'm not talking about any religion or anything. I'm not basing anything on a religion. I said whatever people transfer, go to anywhere. Suppose he was driving a car in Bombay, today he's selling samosas in Ranchi, and tomorrow he'll be selling, another 2 months after that he'll be selling chow mein in Kolkata. So we actually don't know how a person comes from where, what is his reasons. And People who come to their door selling also, we don't know their what is their basic background. They just sometimes come to see what is there in your house, to get information, and they look around your house and they try to sell something, but actually they're looking into something else which we actually don't know, and which later causes problems. We have seen so many serials and all. We have to become more proactive and very sensible and try to know people and not allow any unknown people to come into our life or become friends or whatever. It's a very dangerous thing. But these astrologers, to earn money, sometimes they are very poor and they can't help it, so that's their source of earning, by telling people lies. you know Sometimes they say, they have their own people sitting in front of them, and suddenly says, okay, today you are giving me 50 rupees. Why are you giving me 50 rupees? Because I told you that you're going to have a son. He said, yes, Baba, you have told me. And the people think, oh, he's given him this, so he must be telling us that. But actually that was his person. Camouflage, to earn money. There are a lot of sorts of ways to earn money. So we actually basically don't know where people have come from and where they are going and why they are going, right? So we'll just start. I'll just brief you up on this story. I don't want to read through first. I want to tell you what Mr. R.K. Narayan has actually. It's a lot of suspense, if you read it in the proper way. It's not like just reading your class story book and doing the question answers. Class 7. Oh my God, we are back again to that point. So it's not about that. We have to understand what R.K. Narayan is wanting to say. What is that person? So we learn a lot of things from studying. So by reading, it's not only question answers. You know who I'm talking about. So anyways, we'll come back here, and it is all about, it's it's about a protagonist, is that a gambler and a murderer who was ignorant of his own future has become an astrologer. He was once time a gambler, murderer, gangster type of thing. Now he's become an astrologer. That was his life earlier. Mr. Narayan reveals how only the qualification needed to be an astrologer in India, astrologer in India, is saffron clothes, a few charts, a tilak, and a keen observation on human nature along with the presence of mind. You can become a Baba. You can become an astrologer. People wear these clothes, the Baba type clothes and all. They come with the astrologer, they wear the tilak, and they see the movement of people. They try to observe human nature. They've got that capability, this immediate presence of mind. The astrologer who has been greatly relieved that he's not a murderer. After all, he has managed to put Guru Nayak off. Off means killed or remove him. And he should not have bothered about how much money he had received. Yet again he realizes that Nanak, the fellow who had died, had cheated him of some money, and he's angry. It's about irony, it's about fate, what is going to happen, what happened, religion, blind faith, crime, punishment, human greed, or karma is tit for tat. What I do today is going to come back to me tomorrow. So it's like that. Life is all about karma. What I have done is going to come back to me. Gambling, I must have cheated someone, so someone has cheated me today. So it's rather I follow the right path in life instead of going into a negative part of life, right? So it's going to be like that. So we'll come back to that part, and I'll explain it to you in a much more elaborate way, in the way of understanding, or rather the way I want it to go. So what do we know? I just gave you a basic ideas. People who sell ice creams, they don't know what is inside the ice cream, but they need to sell their because they have to live. It's their living. Okay, so there are many people who have many stories of their past back, but they can't have to. They have to go ahead and do things, and search things out. And they try to do a lot of things in life which cover up their back thing. They want to forget their past, but people don't have that faith in them, right? So that's how things go ahead, and we don't want to relive our past or tell something about our past if there's anything bad in it. We think, what are people going to think? We think, what is going to happen? We think, is someone going to say anything to us, and whatever. So that happens. So I'll come back in the next video and I'm going to give you the brief description of the story first. Actually, what we are going to read, we have to know, and after that we'll hit the story and we'll go ahead forward and the story is done. Okay, so that's the way I share info, and that's the way you have to take it from me. If you don't like it, you have to find someone else who's going to do it for you. So best of luck. I'll be right back.